In this video, we will cover how to upgrade firmware on the Ag Leader PF3000. First, place the PF3000 in site verification mode. To do this, power the monitor on. As the checking bar loads, press the menu button. Press Cancel. Select Site Verification and press Accept. Press Accept. From here, press the Field button twice. Begin with Field 1. Press Accept. This will load Field 1 onto the main screen. From here, press the Field button again. Select Field 2. Press Accept. Press Accept. Repeat these steps until all fields have been selected and added to the main screen. In doing this, you are creating a load for every field in your monitor, which will allow you to restore your field names after new boxing. After scrolling through all your fields, exit back to the main screen and press the menu button. Press Setup. Press Card. Scroll down so that log file is highlighted. Press Edit. Press Create File. This will create a new file for today. Once the new file has been created, press Accept. Press Copy to Card. You should now be ready to upgrade the PF3000 firmware. To do this, shut down the monitor. With the correct firmware loaded onto your data card, insert the data card correctly into the monitor and power the monitor back on. Allow the checking bar to fully load. Press Show Files. Select the correct file. Press Accept. Press Accept. After the upgrade is complete, shut the monitor down. Allow the monitor to fully power down. Once the monitor is powered down completely, power the monitor back up. As the checking bar is loading, press the New Box button. Press Cancel. Press New Box. When the new box is finished, the monitor should be back to factory specs. To restore the field names, make sure the monitor is in site verification mode. Re-enter the card setup by pressing Menu, Setup, Card, press Show All Files, select the most current log file. Once you have the most current log file selected, press File Options and press Restore. We have now covered how to upgrade firmware on the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.